Hello, welcome to Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make apple puff tarts. This recipe is simple yet delicious and easy to make. You will need caster sugar, 5 tablespoons, egg and a bit of milk for the egg wash, 3 medium-sized apples, any crisp apple will do. I use Pink Ladies, and a ready roll puff pastry. Start by decorking all the apples. Now start to slice the apples in halves. Now gently roll out the puff pastries and start trimming off the edges. This will ensure that when you place the puff pastry into the oven, the edges will crisp up and puff up evenly. Now I'm going to cut the puff pastry into 6 equal squares and place it onto a non-stick baking tray. I've used baking paper here. You can use foil or grease on the tray. Finally, cut the apples into nice even slices and place wherever you like on top of the puff pastry. Space them out nice and evenly and give them a nice egg wash. Be careful not to go over the edges here, otherwise the puff pastry will not rise up. Just lightly go around the apples. And then sprinkle some caster sugar all over the apples. Be generous here. This crisps up and caramelizes beautifully once in the oven. Then pop them into the middle shelf of the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once they are cooked, put them onto a cooling rack or onto a chopping board or anything that's not going to burn. Sprinkle a generous amount of caster sugar again. This looks excessive, but trust me, it's delicious. Now that the apple puff pastries are finally cooked, you can enjoy these on their own, simply with some cream, whipped cream, or even some vanilla ice cream. I know what I'll be having them with. Thanks for watching.